Now the topic before us is meaning of polynomial. Polynomial word consists of two words, poly and nomial. Poly means many and nomial means term. So polynomial means many terms. So now the question arises, what is the meaning of term? In the context of polynomial, term means combination of variables and coefficients. Now again the question arises, what is the meaning of variable and coefficients? Initially we were finding out the meaning of polynomial and then term, then variable, then coefficient. It seems to be some complicated to understand the meaning of polynomial, but it is not so. You will find the meaning of polynomial very easy. Now we will first understand the meaning of variable. What is the meaning of variable? Variable means an alphabet or a letter. Alphabet means A, B, C or X, Y, Z. So if we write 3x, here x is variable. If we write 7x plus 2y, here x and y are variables. Another important point with regard to variable is that the value of variable can be anything. That is, we will understand the same with the help of example. The value of x can be 0, value of x can be 1, or value of x can be -1. So now we proceed further. What is the meaning of coefficient? Coefficient means the number which is associated with variable. So now if we write say 5x, so you have already understood that x is the variable. So this number which is attached with the variable x is 5 is coefficient of x. So if we write 2y, here 2 is the coefficient of y. Here 2 is the coefficient. So if we write 5x plus 2y, so here 5 is coefficient of x and 2 is coefficient of y. So any number which is associated with variable, the variable can be x, y, z, a, b, c or any other alphabet. Normally the variables are taken as x, y, z or a, b, c. Now we will understand the meaning of terms. Term is a single mathematical expression that is either a variable. Variable may be x, y, z, etc. This is example. That is, the term may be simply x, simply y or simply z. Or the term may be a number. The number means it may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 7, it may be 9 or any other number. The term may also be a product of number and a variable raised to a power. What is its meaning? It means that it is the mixture of this and this, combination of both. That is, the term can be say 7x, 2y, 9z. Next, it is also written as it can be raised to a power. That is, it can also be, example of term can be 7x raised to the power 2, 9y raised to the power 3. These are all examples of terms. So now the question arises, there are two questions which have so far arisen. We have already learned that polynomial consists of many terms, because poly means many and nomial means term. So polynomial means many terms. Now the question arises, if there is only one term only, then what is the position? Whether it will be called a polynomial? Another question which arises is whether, if while raising the power it is in negative, whether it is also to be considered as a polynomial. Whether if there is a single term, whether it will be called a polynomial, or if the power of the variable, here the power of the variable is in negative, whether it can be considered a polynomial. We will find the answer to this in our next lecture. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.